In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a zip file into CapCut. First things first, CapCut doesn't let you import the zip files directly, but don't worry, it's super easy to work around. Locate your zip file on your computer. First, let's minimize it. Once you have located the zip file on your computer, right-click on it and click on Extract All. Click on Extract. Once it's extracted, open the folder. You can find your files inside. That could be your videos, audios, images, or anything you have extracted. Now open your CapCut and go to Media and click on Import. Now navigate the folder you just extracted. Go on Desktop. You can see it right here. Click on Compressed and open it. They will show up in your media library. Now ready to drag it into your timeline just like this. And that's it, you have just added the zip file content to CapCut in a few simple steps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.